How about a Hot Wheel for grown-ups? Let's check this one out. 2013 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Coupe with the RS package. And listen to this, same owner since new. Underneath the hood, the original 6.2 liter LS3. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, just 3,290 on it at the moment. 6-speed Tremec manual transmission, of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Custom Hot Wheels grill. The original will also go along with it. We'll get into that in just a bit. First, let's take a look at this front fascia. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, rock chips. Very nice condition. Custom ghost flame on the hood. Tastefully done. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, which take a look at the underside. It's like brand new, of course. Interior engine bay trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Custom wheels. Concept mirrors are added. Let's take a look down this passenger side. By the way, original mirrors will go along with it. No major nicks, dings, scratches down this passenger side. Paint shows very well. Nice luster to it. Tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the tint percentages you can have on the side glass and the rear. As you can see, power sunroof. If you want to see exactly how this car was equipped when it was new, check out in the still pictures. I have a copy of the window sticker in there, so you're more than welcome to take a look at that. And again, from the rear to front, you can see really no imperfections in that paint that I've noticed. Now this does have the dual mode performance exhaust as well as electric cutouts on the exhaust. So if you look at the underside pictures, you're going to be able to see those cutouts that I'm talking about. A few things that it's going to come with, that will come with a car cover. There is a binder with the window sticker, as you can see there. Also invoice, a lot of the new car delivery information, build sheet, original shift knob, owner's manual, front license plate bracket. That package right there in the bubble wrap, that's your two original exterior rear view mirrors, the original spoiler, some Camaro paraphernalia as far as magazines, showroom brochures, and the original SS grill. So all that will go back into the trunk, go along with the car. And as you can see, it has an aftermarket spoiler on the rear of it, a little higher, larger lip to it. Good look. And then that custom ghost stripe in the paint. Definitely be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. It's not going to look like every other Camaro out there, that's for sure. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Some of the options you'll see on the window sticker, of course, was that sunroof, the dual mode performance exhaust I mentioned, short throw shifter. I mentioned it does have those cutouts, and it has the complete exhaust with the catalytic converters and everything. It's just those cutouts were added. And again, take a look at the underside picture. You'll see what I'm talking about. Driver's side, also in nice condition. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like Camaros, definitely do it. If you like cars in general, you never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. The videos are uploaded. The vehicles in them are available to purchase. It does have the Boston acoustic stereo system, MyLink head unit, power mirrors, power windows, power locks, power seats, both sides. So with the ebony and inferno orange interior. That's what the exterior color of this would be, of course, inferno orange metallic. Steering wheel controls, heads-up display, driver's information center. Of course, the RS gauge cluster down below. Heated seats. All right, as you can see, we do need a newer battery. in the remote. Giving you that heads up on the information center there. Nothing to change one of those. All right. I'm going to show you the exact miles here. $3,290. No service, engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that on. Heads up display is working, as you can see in front of us. Dash looks good. Of course, the MyLink. And that 6-speed. Trevec manual transmission. No surprises on the interiors, things like new. Switch down here to the left. You can see that right there. That's for the cutouts. So that's with them open. We'll go ahead and push it, close it back up. A stock sounding exhaust. Nice little rumble coming out of that 6.2 liter LS3. Let's go take a peek underneath the hood. Hood liner, like new. You can tell this thing has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather, let alone rain. It's like new, folks. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the window sticker. And over 100 pictures of this car online. Number to call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. It's a grown-up Hot Wheel 2013 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Coupe. Only 3,290 miles. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. A little bit of ghost flames on the hood, some tasteful Hot Wheels additions. A very fun Camaro in orange and black. I would call it orange. Maybe it's burnt orange, maybe it's a little coppery. Nice looking. Like new condition, in my opinion. Sounds great. Let's see how she does. Getting her up to 3,500, maybe 4,000 RPM, and we are speeding quickly. Let's bring her back down a little bit. The fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank, speedometer and tachometer working beautifully. If there's any flickering in the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car. The dash looks great. Temperature about 1/3 of the way up. Stereo sounds great. With a Springsteen song, we're in 5th gear, cruising along easily, and we have 6. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. I have a moonroof over my head, all the modern amenities, nice comfortable seats, bucket seats. These days I don't want to say leather because likely it is better than leather. Sometimes you get that synthetic that you don't have to worry about cracking over the years. Corners amazingly, as it should for a sports car. What a fun Camaro. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2013 Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.